In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default email address in Pipedrive, which should take about 5 minutes. It's a simple process and very helpful for streamlining your email communications within this powerful CRM tool. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Pipedrive website. If you're unfamiliar, Pipedrive is a sales CRM and pipeline management software designed to help you stay on top of your sales process and improve productivity. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. You should see the Login button prominently displayed on the home page. After clicking it, enter your credentials to access your Pipedrive dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Pipedrive homepage. This is the central hub from where you oversee all your activities and manage your sales pipeline. To proceed, you'll want to locate and click on the profile icon, which usually is situated in the upper corner of the page. Your profile settings control many of the personal and account-specific options accessible to you. Here you will find the setting to adjust your email preferences. After clicking on your profile, the next step is to go to the General section. This can typically be found under the Settings tab, which contains various options for configuring how Pipedrive functions for your specific needs and workflows. It's there where you can refine several aspects of your CRM usage to better fit your routines. Within the General settings, you're going to want to locate the option related to email sync. This area is essential for ensuring your emails are integrated with your CRM workflows, providing a seamless connection between your communications and sales activities. The next thing you need to do is click on General Settings to open up the specific configurations you can adjust to your liking. Finally, once inside the General Settings, look for the option labeled Default Email App. Selecting this allows you to specify which email address you'd like to use as your default for all outgoing communications. It's particularly useful if you're managing multiple email accounts and want to ensure that your responses are coming from the right address associated with your sales pipeline efforts. After setting your default address, make sure to save your changes so they take effect immediately. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your default email address in Pipedrive. This simple yet powerful adjustment helps maintain professionalism and efficiency in managing your customer relations and sales operations. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has been beneficial. If you have any questions or require further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for assistance. Happy selling!